Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you a motivation of cleaning your kitchen and cooking. Also, I'm going to be doing some laundry. So if you are in need of some motivation, that I hope this video will inspire you. And if it does in any shape or form, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows that you are liking my content, all right? And if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking in this video today. My name is Diana. I like to make motivation cleaning videos, cooking, shopping, and family vlogs. So if you're into this, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any future content. Also, hit that bell. That way you get notified every single time your girl puts a new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video, and I hope you get all that motivation you need, all right? Let's go.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So I'll be starting out by sorting my laundry and just throwing the first load in. For fabric softener, I'll be using Gain Eisen Fresh. For detergent, I'll be using Gain Original Scent.
Will you come around?
And for this white load, I'll be using a little bit of Clorox bleach with lemon scent.
You know I always got your back. So please don't tell me that I broke us, 'cause I could never live.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and give a quick wipe to my stove.
Oh, I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm counting all the days till you come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, I wish that you could see me now that you're gone, 'cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you'll end up knowing that we're meant to last. I'm counting all the days till you come around. Or will you come around? Or will you come around?
Don't ask me why. I do not know why that paper toilet was there. I don't know. You know, when you have kids, they put things in random places, and I guess this was a perfect place for them at the moment.
I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So
This is something I do no matter if I'm doing a deep cleaning or not. I always move the microwave to see if there's anything my kids spill underneath it. What is something that y'all always have to do, regardless if you're doing a deep cleaning or not, that it's just has to be done every day? Comment down below. Let me know.
I wish I could get you out of my head. I don't know why I still got your shirt. It's like time flies, but it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on, I know by your tone.
I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer all these dirty dishes from my right to my left. That way I can go ahead and clean the right side to start cleaning my dishes.
Wonder how you doing and moving through the crowds every day. All I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb. Doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the left side. That way I could go ahead and put my dish rack in here so I could rinse all my dishes and let them air dry in here.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?
This is something that you constantly don't see me do, which is rinsing my rag, and it's because I cut it in the video, but I decided to leave it here so you can see I really rinsed my rag and continue cleaning, so your girl's not, throwing this dirty rag everywhere, just to let you know, okay? Now to do my favorite chore, which is folding and putting away. No, I'm just kidding. It is not my favorite chore. It is my least favorite chore. I don't mind washing and drying. I just hate putting away. I don't know if that's something with y'all. Do y'all like folding and putting away? Or do y'all just like it? Comment down below. Let me know.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock 'em down, it's the way we keep You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then.
So now just to hang up all these clothes, this is how I hang up clothes. I put my kids in one side and then my husband and I in the other, and that's how I divide them. I don't do my teenagers' clothes. They do their own laundry, but I do my 12-year-old and my 7-year-old, and of course my husband and I. Now the white low is all dry. I'm gonna go ahead and fold those up.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and light up this candle. It says dream big. It's just to make the house feel a little bit more fresh. It smells more like clean linen, so it does the job. I'm gonna be making like country potatoes. I'm gonna peel them all. Then I'll get back to you when I have them peeled up so you can see how I'm gonna cut them. All right, so this is how I'm cutting them. It's in squares. I mean, you could choose to cut them however you want. This is how I like to cut mine, similar to this. Now I'm just rinsing my potatoes. To this pot, I'm gonna add some butter so I could throw in my potatoes. And I'm gonna put my stove in medium heat. Now that the butter is all melted, I'm just gonna put all these potatoes inside. So you could give it a quick mix, and also if you feel that it needs more butter, like I felt that it needed more, then I went ahead and threw a couple more spoons in there. To be honest, I usually don't count. It's just whatever I feel is best. Now I'm just gonna add black pepper and some salt to my potatoes and mix.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
And I'm just gonna put a lid so the potatoes could cook evenly. So now I'm just gonna cut this chicken breast in squares. So just showing you what I use to season, which is black pepper, garlic powder, adobo Goya, and sazon Goya. Alright, so I'm going to be using coconut oil, being that I don't have cooking oil. In this pot, I'm going to put half of the chicken, and I'll use a pan to put the other half. So the pan is not going to have any onions or yellow peppers. That's why I decided to split them off, because my kids are very picky when it comes to onions and things like that in their chicken. All right, guys, this concludes the video for today, but I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I guess I'll check you in my next video. Peace.
What does perfect even